Today at Masala Hub we'll be making Peri Peri Chicken. Peri Peri Chicken is also known as Piri Piri Chicken and was popularized by Nando's. Nando's is a fast food chain in South Africa which is also common around the world these days. That's why you might have learned about Nando's Peri Peri Chicken. Peri Peri Chicken is special because it is prepared with Peri Peri Chilis, which are also known as bird eye chilies or Portuguese chilies. Bird eye chilies are commonly found in Mozambique in Africa. Prepare your chicken as you always would by cutting into the chicken. On top of that, we'll be adding some lemon juice, salt, pepper, the usual. Spread the sauce all over the chicken so that it gets to marinate for a couple of hours. The longer you leave the chicken to marinate, the better it turns out. So the longer the better. That means you can prepare the chicken in the evening, at night, before going to sleep, and then leave it to marinate the whole night in the fridge. The next day you can just cook up your chicken and you have a meal ready. You can even leave the chicken to marinate 24 hours in the peri peri sauce. You just need to bake the chicken for 35 minutes approx. That's more than enough to get it going. Basically, you can leave it to grill for another 5 to 10 minutes so that you have a nice crust forming. If you use a thermometer, the inside of the chicken can be around 80 to 75 degrees Celsius or 170 degrees Fahrenheit. That's how you will know your chicken is cooked to perfection. If you are unsure, and a thermometer, I have to say, really helps you along the way to get your chicken cooked perfectly. It gives you the chance to know if you need to cook it a little longer or if it is undercooked, which is really not a good thing. You don't want your chicken to be undercooked after all. Please feel free to leave a comment below or visit the full recipe at masalahub.com. I share more tips over there on how to make a perfect peri peri chicken. Thank you for watching masalahub.com. I hope to see you soon again. Stay awesome.